Estás en el momento de trabajar. Rebote, no tiros de mierda, mejores bloqueos, tocar pintura, hacen green, 2 pases, rápido todo.
We pass the ball, be ready for shot. Okay, don't refuse threes, then dribble for nothing. Okay,
Debemos no regalar faltas tontas, estar delante y cerrar fuerte rebote.
When there is a shot here, ¿vale? You guys don't be transition response to the 1-0, not like the last time. ¿Vale? If we go offensive rebound, we go offensive rebound. We are not here for nothing.
use fouls. Don't let them run. And rebound. Everybody to the rebound.
3, 8 points. Another one. Tú lo mismo, ¿no lo ves? Enough. I want to be screens. I want to see screens. Not screens. Screens. Effective. Improve the quality of the pitch.
It's a long time to go. Don't give up. Increase intensity. We still have 2 fouls to give. Come on.